Dear students, in this video I am going to teach you some important compounds. Ethanol. You all know ethyl is commonly known as ethyl alcohol or simply alcohol. Okay, it is colorless and it's have one pleasant smell. Okay, and its boiling point is 351 Kelvin. Okay, it is lighter than water. Okay, and ethanol has no effect on litmus solution, so it is not acidic or not basic, and ethanol can soluble in water with any proportion. Okay, now some chemical properties of ethanol are discussed. Okay, first, combustion. You already know ethanol in presence of oxygen when burned it gives carbon dioxide, water, light and heat. Okay, you already know this. So ethanol CH3 CH2 OH. Okay, so this ethanol when burned in presence of oxygen it forms carbon dioxide, water and release energy in the form of heat and light. So this is an exothermic reaction. So nature of the reaction is this is exothermic in nature. And next I am going to discuss another reaction, that is reaction with sodium metal. Okay, if we take ethyl alcohol or ethanol and we react with sodium metal, it gives us sodium ethoxide CH3CH2ONA. Actually this hydrogen is replaced by this sodium and it forms sodium ethoxide. Okay, and important point, it's liberate hydrogen. Okay, it liberate hydrogen. How we identify this is hydrogen gas? Actually when if we take one burning stick near the test tube, we can see that the gas becomes burned with a pop sound. The gas become burned with a pop sound, and we all know this type of indication, this is also indication of presence of hydrogen gas. So the ethanol reacts with sodium metal with the evolution of hydrogen gas. This is the important of the reaction. You must remember that sodium ethoxide and hydrogen is formed. Okay, next, action with concentrated sulfuric acid. Suppose this is the form of ethanol. Okay, and you just give concentrated H2SO4 about 443 Kelvin, and you must remember that this concentrated H2SO4 actually act as an dehydrating agent. Okay, dehydrating agent, actually it removes water. Okay, so its remove water means it's occur removal of water. So this water molecule removes and we get ethene as a product. So CH2 double bond CH2. this ethene is formed with water. Okay, so action with concentrated sulfuric acid. Now reaction with ethanoic acid. We take ethanol C2H5OH or CH3CH2OH and we react with ethanoic acid or acetic acid. We can write it as like this, ethanoic acid or acetic acid, and in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, then what will be the product? One water molecule removed and we just get an ester with a fruity smell, and the product is like that, CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3, okay, plus water, and this have a fruity sweet smell. This have a fruity sweet smell, and this is known as ethyl ethanoate ester. Okay, ethyl ethanoate ester. Okay, and this type of reaction is known as esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. Any type of reaction between alcohol and acid is known as esterification reaction. Okay, next type of reaction is oxidation reaction. Okay, so if we use different type of oxidizing agent, we get different product. Suppose if first ethanol C2H5OH is oxidized in presence of chromium oxide in presence of acetic anhydride, chromic oxide in presence of acetic anhydride, we just get, in presence of acetic anhydride, we just get ethanol as an product. So this oxidation is stopped in the aldehyde stage. But if we use strong oxidizing agent like alkaline KMnO4, if we use alkaline KMnO4, then we get ethanoic acid. So the higher oxidation is occurred. Also the oxidation from ethanol to acetic acid. Okay, so these two types of oxidation. This is up to chemical reaction of ethyl alcohol.